Everywhere, the strange creatures like the Cape Barren goose were evidence that this world is quite unlike anything they had seen before. Each type of forest, each branch has its specialists who have evolved to best exploit the resources of the island. Isolation has made it possible to develop exclusive designs adapted to particular ecological niches. The white cockatoo eats fruits, while the black yellowtail cockatoo devours insect larvae, taking the place of the woodpeckers, which don't exist here. Now he's feeding his almost fully grown chick. Apart from the bright colors, some birds look very familiar. However, in the interior of the rainforests hide others of less conventional appearance. The giant nightjar or frogmouth spends its day imitating a broken branch. And that's discreet if we compare it with the flaming colors of the cockatoos.